I keep coming back to Yestermorrow because I think the mission is so important. It's to get people turned on to the experience of designing and building, identifying a problem, trying various solutions, implementing the solutions, seeing what works, what doesn't work, going back to the drawing board, so to speak. And just that process, it's so exciting, invigorating, empowering that you want everybody to have an opportunity to do it. One could do it other places. One could do it with years of instruction and experience. But the beauty of Yestermorrow is you can come and take an intensive course, be it 2 days long, 2 weeks long, or 4 months long, and learn in that short period of time what it would otherwise take you years to learn. I'm constantly amazed at the community that's here, that has endured, that continues to grow and is looking towards the future. Many of the students who come here call it a life-changing experience.